Some people swear by drinking a calming tea made from lemon balm, which contains high levels of valerian root that promotes relaxation. Sipping chamomile tea before bed can help ease a sore throat, a common cause of snoring. Ginger has been used for centuries to alleviate digestive issues, but did you know it also helps reduce inflammation and clear mucus from the airways? Applying peppermint oil to the chest or inhaling it through steam inhalation can relax the muscles in the airways, reducing snoring caused by nasal congestion or a cold. Adding eucalyptus oil to your bath or inhaling it through steam inhalation can clear mucus from the airways, making it easier to breathe and reducing snoring. Thyme has natural antibacterial properties that can soothe a sore throat and reduce inflammation, making it easier to breathe while you sleep. Fennel seeds have been used for centuries to alleviate digestive issues, but they also help reduce congestion and improve breathing. Licorice root has anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce swelling in the throat, making it easier to breathe. Basil has anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe the airways and reduce inflammation. Elderberry has natural antiviral properties that can help alleviate congestion and sinus pressure, making it easier to breathe while you sleep. Research shows that valerian root can reduce symptoms of insomnia and restless sleep, making it easier for you to breathe freely while you sleep. This natural remedy is especially helpful for those with postnasal drip or allergies. Try sipping thyme tea or adding it to your bathwater for relief. Inhale basil essential oil through steam inhalation or add it to your bathwater for relief.